Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today our special topic is the comparison shloka about Bharavi and Magha. Bharavi and Magha are, as you know, were great ancient Sanskrit poets. They are very famous indeed. So there is a brilliant composition, brilliant Anushtup shloka which compares the poetic skill, poetic brilliance of Bharavi and Magha. So as usual, I will be giving the lyrics of this brilliant shloka on the YouTube screen. Those who already know well and good, those who don't know can please take snapshot, mug up, enjoy the meaning and fun and brilliant poetry, and then share with others also. Fantastic, my dear friends. So here I go. Bharavi and Magha, brilliant shloka comparing the poetic skills of Bharavi and Magha. Brilliant shloka, poetic brilliance of Bharavi and Magha, comparison shloka. Okay, so here I go. Tavattu Bharaver bhati yavan maghasya nodayah uditetu punar maghe bharaveriva. Fantastic, my dear friends. When you come to know the meaning, you will just be amazed at this sort of poetry, brilliant poetry it is, and then the great fun which is used here. So we'll examine the meaning now. Tavattu Bharaver bhati means tavattu, till such a time. Tavattu, till such a time. Bharaver bhati, Bharavi, the poet Bharavi continues to shine, or he flourishes. Poet Bharavi continues to shine. Bharaver bhati. The works and compositions of Bharavi, Bharavehe bhati, continues to shine. Bharavi continues to shine till such a time. Tavat tu. Till what time? So continuing in this shloka. Yavan maghasya nodayaha. Yavat maghasya na udayaha. Till such a time the sun called Magha did not arise. So observe the meaning now. Yavan maghasya nodayaha. Till such a time the brilliant sun called Magha did not arise. What is happening? The Bharavi, the compositions, the works of Bharavi continues to flourish, or Bharavi continues to shine as a poet. So then moving on. Uditetu punarmaghe. The third padam in the shloka says, Uditetu punarmaghe. Once the resplendent sun called Magha rises. Uditetu punarmaghe. Once the resplendent sun called Magha rises. Bharaveriva. Bharavi, the poet Bharavi and his verse Bharavehe. It becomes like Bharaveriva. Bha means scorching. Ravehe means sun. It becomes like a scorching sun. The works of Bharavi becomes like a scorching sun, which will be unbearable. Naturally, scorching sun is always unbearable, isn't it? So brilliant fun, brilliant poetry. In a way, this poem favors Magha. So there is no doubt that the one who has composed this poem is certainly favoring Magha. He is a fan of Magha. Both were really brilliant. But Magha is highly brilliant. So what's the meaning of this shloka? So brilliant poetry and brilliant fun, isn't it? Brilliant fun and also brilliant fun, isn't it, my dear friends? So fantastic meaning. So we'll enjoy the brilliant poetry again. I'll chant this, recite this again, and we'll wrap up this video. Tavattu Bharaver bhati yavan maghasya nodayah uditetu punarmaghe bharaveriva. Fantastic, my dear friends. So in the next upcoming video, we'll take up one more such brilliant poem and enjoy the meaning and poetry, fun, etc. So that is it. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Chennai, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762000815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.